Hello friends, today I will tell you how you can remove copyright song from your YouTube channel. Let's start. You may have seen this important notifications on your YouTube channel that video received a copyright claimed that some content in your video. Please click on view options. Next screen will be copyright summary and status. This particular video cannot be monetized. It's mean that content ID claim on your video doesn't affect your channel. Visibility is public, everyone can see this video. And here it is a monetization that is illegible, that you cannot earn money. After that, scroll little bit. Here you can see this is a song which is a copyright that you need to remove. Video cannot be monetized, ad revenue paid to copyright owner. This message has written. As you can see, right hand side action has written. Now you have to click on it and you can see the three options are there. Trim out segment. It's mean that YouTube will cut that song as much as YouTube has selected. Next option is replace song. This means that you can replace old audio with a new song. You can select new song from YouTube libraries. Third option is mute song. This means that YouTube will mute this particular song part, the rest of your voice audio plays. The last option is dispute. It means that you have to pay some amount to the owner of this song. This is the area of your video and you can see the red line which is your audio and which is correct, and the area which is covered by YouTube that marked with a double parallel line, that is mean a copyright. Let's mute the song. Next you can see select how to mute claimed song. First one is mute all song when you play. Starting time to end time, whatever it comes, it mute everything. You can preview muted video before continue. There is a second option that is a mute song only beta version. It's mean remove the claimed song only, keep the rest of the song. This option usually takes longer and might not work if song is hard to remove. Let's continue. A message has written. This process might take a while. If we are not able to mute the copyright song, it will be update any viewing or monetization restrictions on your video. This video will remain its current status until the process is completed. So let's mute. The process has moved forward. Now YouTube is processing this action. This process will take a lot of time to complete, then you quit from that screen. This process will be done automatically. You can close YouTube as well as browser. There will be no problem. Friends, that's all in this video. How did you like this information? If you like, you can share with your friends.